Today on Perpetual Projects, we're gonna use this Borescope, and I've had this for a little while. I've used it a few times, but never since we started the YouTube channel. And I've been looking for a reason to show you guys this because I really like it. It works really well. Today, we need to look inside the engine on our 66 Plymouth Fury to figure out what's going on. So this is a test long. I don't know what model it is. We'll find it on Amazon and link it in the description. That's where I got it. But it's very simple to use. It has some extra parts there, but we're not using those today. You just take this end of your camera lead or your scope, and it's keyed. It'll only go in the socket on the handle one direction. Slides together, tighten down that nut, and now it's ready to use. Once you power it up, you take the end of your scope here, and this, I mean, you could do like, this is like 20 feet long. We don't need that much cord today. So we're gonna kind of just put this over here out of our way. And what we're looking at today is, for some reason, I can't get the distributor to go down in the distributor hole on our 318 here. And I just wanna, well, okay. So I think it can, there. Is it just me, or does that look like a rock to you guys?
That's not supposed to be there.
No, it's not. And then that's actually, that piece there is half of what I was looking for, and I don't see the rest of it. So the good news is we have a roller cam 360, and you can tell that by the, or sorry, a roller cam 318, and you can tell that by the roller lifter right there. The bad news is, look at the condition of that camshaft. We're gonna go ahead and finish trying to get this thing running properly, but we're not gonna be able to, we're definitely not gonna road trip this car to Colorado with the cam in that condition there. I was trying to get up and look at the next lobe, and you just gotta bend the end of this, and you can, oh yeah, we can see a bunch more lobes on the cam now. Let me get back under the throttle cable. Yeah, they don't look good. And it's not just one, it's multiple of them.
How does the cam end up rusty?
I would say it sat for a very, very long time. We might run this around a little bit and see if, I mean, it's not like it's a flat tappet cam, so it can handle some pitting, but that is excessive if you ask me. Look, if you look down in there, you can see the piston. I can go all the way down in there, and hey, there's the crank. Well, it doesn't look very good either. The good news is our piston looks pretty good, what we can see of it. Anyway, back to our piece. So you can couple this with other tools, and we're gonna see if we can use this and a little retractable claw tool and see if we can get that piece of, or that rock to start with, out of there. I'm kind of curious to see what it is. Oh, I missed. It's like the claw game at the grocery store. Hey, I got it. How? Oh.
What is it?
I think it's a mud dauber nest. I guess it wasn't isolated to the water pump.
Welcome to Alabama.
Yeah, so that tells me that this engine's sat open for a while. I'm guessing that's probably not the only one that's in there, which stinks, but it's okay because we had plans to swap this with something else. I'm still gonna go ahead and get it running. We're still gonna drive it. We just know that it's a time bomb. And we found that out with our fancy Borescope tool. So if we hadn't had this, we wouldn't know, and we could be on our way to Colorado and lose a cam in this engine. So it saved us potentially a whole bunch of money on a tow bill, or trying to do a cam swap on the side of the road. Could have been bad. So I just figured I'd share it with you. It's not real expensive. We'll leave a link in the description for it. I wouldn't buy this as your first tool, but if you know you're looking for, maybe you're watching this and you're looking for a Christmas present or something, or a birthday present for your significant other, I think this is a really awesome tool that everybody should eventually have in their toolbox. See you soon.